Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. Yeah, LINK has, as you might remember from last time, failed to create an impulse to the upside. With this deep retracement of what I call here a wave 4, this whole pattern has become more fragile. It did look quite good here after the breakout above our resistance area, and however, obviously the retracement was too deep to be a wave 4 in an impulse. So what we have to consider is that this is either a diagonal in the yellow wave count, which would be the bullish count, which I said in the last video, I would give it a chance to produce that fifth wave as long as it's holding that 650 structural support level here. It's just that below that level, I wouldn't trust this anymore as a diagonal. The problem we already have is that it broke to the downside out of this so-called ascending wedge pattern. These diagonals oftentimes adhere to trend lines, and if one of these trend lines break, then this is already not a very good sign. So I'm tracking it. Yeah, it is at the moment not a yes, I'm convinced it will be like that. It's more like, okay, let's see if it gets that fifth wave, and if it's getting a fifth wave, then we have a first indication that a lasting low has been struck on the 10th of June. Until then, we have no confirmation that a lasting low has been struck here, okay? A lasting bear market low. So from that point of view, we need to remain patient, and that fifth wave to the upside, once created, once confirmed, will give us the possibility to add a support area on the chart for this wave 2 pullback, okay? So at the moment, I would say, look, we've only got 3 waves up so far. I don't trust anything else here. So 3 waves up, so it could get a fifth wave. Until then, this could simply be a wave 4 rally, a corrective rally in a WXY structure, and could break down to new lows. As I said, I would give it a chance to still show us that fifth wave. That's how long I would track it. Below that level, I wouldn't even track it anymore. As long as it's holding the 650 level. That's also related to the fib levels. So let's just add the fibs. Here you can see the golden ratio is actually at 661. Normally, you know, any wave 4 in a diagonal that retraces more than the golden ratio is already highly questionable. So that's the area I would use to track this level. In addition to the structural support at 650. So the red box is basically structural support zone. So yeah, I mean, it's all about that level, 650. I think in the last video, I can't remember if in the last video it had already broken the trend line. I remember I said that if it breaks it, I would pay attention to that level. I currently fully expect it will test that 660, 650 level. I mean, I'm only calling out 650 because it's the lower boundary line of the support region, but actually it's sort of a range between 650, yeah, and you could actually say 668. That was sort of the neckline here of the inverse head and shoulders pattern, which by the way reached the target at the time, the head and shoulders target. But yeah, choppy price action, not impulsive, always dangerous, broke below the trend line. That means we'll probably get first to that 650, 660 level, that support range for retest. If it gives us a positive retest, it could rally in a fifth wave. So that's sort of how I would approach this. And at the moment, again, it's way too early to confirm that a lasting bear market low has been struck. We still need to be patient, and it's another attempt. But unfortunately, the fact that it is not impulsive makes this whole thing questionable. Okay, that's my update about LINK. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.